Cool. Hey, Mark, thank you for the trade. You got some big money flow that we need to get to right now. What are you seeing
Mm-hmm.
in Cano?
Yeah, this is one I wanted to. I actually sent Andrew off on a little fact-finding mission around this one
That's fine
to talk to
mission.
our flow master because this one was really weird. Um,
Okay.
a trader traded the April two calls against the January 2024 three calls 60,000 times. And Ryan, you're not showing the graphic. There you go. Now, best I can tell, they sold the two call to buy the three call 60,000 times, paid 50 cents. Why would I do a trade like this? I think Cano stays below $2 between now and April, and then I think it potentially it takes off after that. Alternative, we see a big increase in vol or some rumors about around a event later in the year, and back end vol pops. It's a really interesting trade that is sneaky bullish long term Cano, but near term says the stock isn't going to do anything.
Let me ask you this, Mark. Isn't Cano one of those? I don't want to call it a meme stock, but wouldn't you list it in the realm of Carvana, those kind of not meme stocks,
I mean,
but
it's a healthcare company, but
oh,
it
it's
definitely
kind of
got really hot for a little bit.
mm-hmm.
Deals in Medicare payments a lot, which is and Medicaid, which is always an interesting business.
Elizabeth says
And
it's trash, Vaz. Just say it. It's trash. Isn't this one of these garbage stocks? All right,
yes,
Elizabeth, I said it.
it
It's a
is
trash.
trash. It is trash, but
Trash
it's trash that might
like
get bought out.
Elizabeth.
CVS flirted with buying them early in mid 2022,
And they didn't
and backed off. And
for a
there could be
reason.
another approach at a more reasonable level.
Okay,
The
so
rumor
Mark,
was $12.
look at this. Now, there is a little gap here, gap down from earnings, which is partially why there's a thin zone in the volume profile, but that's really just this area. Here, let me just draw it right here.
Mm-hmm.
That's just this area. There is a huge thin zone in general. So,
Yeah.
meaning if this trader is right, we will easily revert to the 200-day moving average. So we're looking at a 450 target here.
Well, he's saying that's going to happen sometime after April.
Okay. All right. So you're going to jump on this trade with your members?
No,
Oh,
no,
just kidding myself.
absolutely not. Under
Why
no
not,
circumstance. This thing
Mark?
is on my banned list. I because I was playing around the CVS one and it burned me pretty bad. So I'll take a look at this if it starts to wake up. I'll take a look at it. But it's been dead money for 3 months, and based on this trade in April, it's going to continue to be dead money for the next couple of months. So not really something to jump on. Maybe sell a put if you love it.
Hey, Mark, I know for option experts like you and Andrew, today it's like a holiday. It's the most exciting day to trade.